Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of our new sight words. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I posted again the worksheet to go along with this video. If you have access to a printer and you would like to print it out and follow along and complete it as we go through, feel free to do that. If you do not have access to a printer or do not want to print it out, that's okay. You can just follow along with me. So let's go ahead here and get started. Let's look at our word for today. How many letters make up this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so we know that our word is made up of 4 letters. Now let's read those letters. Read them with me. D, O, W, N. Good. Now let's go through, we always do this. Do we have any tall letters? Yes, the D. Do we have any small letters? Yes. What are they? Good. The O, W, and N. Do we have any basement letters? No. So let's go ahead. We're going to move on here and begin our worksheet. This word is down. I want you to read it with me. If you're following along at home with your worksheet, please put your finger underneath the D. If you are working along with me here on the computer, you can put your finger right up to your computer screen under the D, and we're going to swipe read. Ready? On the count of 3, we're going to read the word down. 1, 2, 3, down. Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, down. Awesome job. We're going to go ahead and write the word down in our next box. If you're working at home, remember to use your very best handwriting. If you're working along with me, you may begin skywriting the word down as I write it on our page. D, O, W, N. Good. Into the next box here, we are going to clap it to see how many syllables are in the word down. So hopefully you guys can hear me clap. Here we go. Down. I'll do it again for you. Down. We clapped one time when we said the word down. So we're going to color in our one circle here. We always use yellow in school, but if you have a different color, if you don't have a yellow crayon, that's okay. You may use a different color to color in that circle. And I'm going to use a red crayon to color in the word down over here. If you want to match me, you can get a red crayon out. If you want to use a different color, that's okay. And let's color in the word down. D, O, W, N. Okay, friends, we just colored in the word D-O-W-N, down. If you're at home, make sure you check your coloring. Make sure that you're staying in the lines, that there isn't a lot of white showing. If you're following along with me, what do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you think I did an awesome job here with my coloring. Thumbs down if you think I need some work. Alrighty, moving on into our last few boxes here, we are going to trace the word down. If you're following along with me, I want you to skywrite. If you are working at home, please remember to try your very best to stay on the lines. D, O, W, N. Good. Over here, we're going to spell it. Remember what these boxes mean. What letter goes in the tall box? We have a small box, we have a wide box, and another small box. So let's go ahead. What letter goes in the tall box? The D. Good. And the small one, what letter goes here? O. Awesome job. Our wide box, what letter do we need? W. And then another small box is for what letter? N. Good. D-O-W-N spells down. Awesome job. Alrighty, down here we are going to find the word down 3 times. I'm going to give you some time to find it if you're working at home. If you're following along with me, circle down on your computer screen 3 times. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and circle. Down, down, down. Awesome job. And lastly, I want you to say the word down to mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother and sister, a friend. You can say it to me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job, friends. Put a check mark in the box. If you're following along with me, you can do a check mark in the air. Alrighty, great work, friends. Again, this word is down. Stay tuned for tomorrow for a new word.